everybody, what's up? Welcome to Whipping It Up with Cherie. I hope y'all are doing okay. I'm doing okay today. I have a good one for you today. This one was actually requested, and I'm so ready to do it. So I've had several subscribers email me and say, hey, do another salad. What are you doing, little mama? We want another salad. Okay? So guess what? You see it. You see it. You see this romaine lettuce. Okay? So, right. We're going all the way. Okay? So let's get started. So we're going to get this lettuce cut up. So first of all, y'all, let me just tell y'all, I've already rinsed my lettuce. It's still kind of wet, but it's not as wet as it was. So I like my salad to be kind of dry, on the dry side. I know some moisture is going to get in it, but I have to rinse my lettuce. I don't care if it's organic or organic, whatever. I like to wash my veggies at all costs. So I've already went ahead and cut up a lot of the toppings. So here we go with some tomatoes. All right. Then I'm going in. I have some cheese here. I have sriracha Gouda, and I have some pepper jack, okay? So, like, I love to keep different cheeses in my refrigerator because why? I love cheese, okay? I ain't gonna even lie. I'm just gonna flat out tell you. So, I'm gonna do my sriracha. I'm going in with some chopped up eggs that I've already chopped up. So, as you see, I'm trying to go in a line. I'm trying to do something different. We're gonna really get some color in. I got some diced up carrots. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so beautiful. This is so pretty. Whoever don't like salads, I wish you would get into it because it's really good for you. Like every piece of item, vegetable in this salad has a benefit. Got the carrots on. I'm gonna move that out the way just for a little bit. I'm gonna start going in with some of my meat. So I had my roast beef chopped up really thinly. Like this is super thin. So because I knew I was going to be putting it in my salad. So I'm going to be getting this chopped on it. So yeah, I'm down for it. So let's get this brought into the equation. Let's see. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see that. Alright, so let me get some roast beef. Put on here. Beef on. Now I'm going in with my next meat. And this is buffalo turkey breast. Gotta have some turkey when I have a salad. So I had this one cut. This one the same. In paper thin slices. I think it was just watch me. Now, next I'm going in with my cucumbers. As you see, I've already diced up some. But I wanted to show y'all something. How I keep from my cucumbers releasing so much moisture into the salad. So I cut my cucumbers in quarters. So this was about 4 quarters out of the cucumber. You know how you have it long ways? And then you just cut 1, 2, 3, 4 thickness like this. And I like to cut... excuse me, I like to cut the seed part out. Now, you don't have to do this. I was just saying this how I like to do it sometimes when I don't want my salad to be having too much water, okay? So, I'm going to turn it over and cut the rest of the seeds out. Now, I don't do this always. No, I do not. I do not do that because I know some of the nutrients is in the seeds, okay? But you see how we got a hole? That's most of your moisture right there that you just cut out. And then I just cut it in half. And then just cut slices. And you can pretty much cut it however you want to do it. I just wanted to show y'all how I cut my cucumbers today. And then you just cut them up in dices. And you have little to no water. And boom, you're not going to have a watery salad. See that? Look at that. Go ahead, Cherie. Teach the people. Show the people what they can do to make their life better. You know, Alright, so I got my cucumbers here. And I'm about to put them in place where I want them. I feel like I want them right here. In between the eggs and the carrots. I feel like that would go perfect right there. I was gonna go buy a square full pan, but the place where I went, they didn't have any full pans, any long ones anyway. I got some small ones, but that wouldn't have worked for what I'm trying to do. And now our salad is coming together. Yes, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layers already. All right, next, I'm super excited. Next, we have some pecans. They are going on my salad. Yes, they are. I don't want to hear no noise about it either. Okay, okay. All right. So, the chopped pecans, where are we going to put them? I want to put them at the foot of the cheese. Yeah, I initially wanted everything to be in a line. But you know what? I'm going to get them in where they fit in. We're not gonna stress out this thing now, because either way, it's still gonna be pretty. You know what? I may just drag it around. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drag it around the edges. 3. Look at the Lord working. Don't tell me we don't serve a good God. All right, so we got our pecans on the salad. And now I'm going in with some crispy fried onions. Yes, Lord. Listen, I have to have some crunch on my salad. I have to. Lord have mercy. Yes, they do. Mercy. All right, so we got our onion strings on. Now we're going in with some bacon bits. Real bacon bits. Yes, we are. And I don't want to hear no stink about it. Okay? All right, so it was just enough room for that. I definitely want to put some of this pepper jack cheese right here in between the onions and the roast beef. And I just want y'all to know that this, doing the lines, this is all going to be messed up once I dig in. So this is only for presentation purposes. So I just want y'all to know right now. This is simply for presentation because some green onions. And I'm going to sprinkle those on here as well. Don't ask me where I'm going to put them. I think I'm just going to put them around the edges because I love green onions in my salad. And they smell so good. And that's not it. I know y'all like, whoo, that's beautiful. Whoo. I got some parsley. Yes. 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 I got some parsley right here that I done chopped. I got to put some parsley on here. I don't know if I want to just sprinkle it on there. How should I do it, Lord? Guide me. The edges. Because I really don't want to mess up my lines. I'm loving the lines where you can see the different toppings. And suggesting, and you know, a lot of people who email me, they just want to see how I'm going to do it, you know, and I appreciate that because I'm not a chef. I just really like to fix things and cook, and I like to do it, you know, it ain't always homemade, but you know, to know how to put something together is an art. So I appreciate y'all. Y'all just don't know. I read every email, every comment whenever people do, you know, comment on these videos, and it makes my heart happy, no lie. So I appreciate y'all so much for supporting the channel. I appreciate you liking and subscribing. Please share this video. I'm still trying to get my subscribers up, but I appreciate you all so much. I hope you and your families have a really good night. And this is, I had to count it again. So this is a 13 topping salad, okay? So I'm going to list all the ingredients in this salad. And I'm going to put some benefits for each one of them on the screen as well, because I cannot go anywhere without putting my seasoning. This is my salad delight. Oh my gosh, how did I do that? So I'm going to sprinkle some of this on here. Y'all, this is one of my favorite salad seasonings. Yes, it is. Peace. Bye.